My role is to provide menus, varied menu, nutritious menus for our local residents that require Meals on Wheels. We do the menus, we try and give it a varied menu, something different every day, vary it month to month, so they get an option and they can choose that. The menus go out monthly, so they know in advance, and if there's anything on there they don't like, they can always ask for an alternative. And just provide a service for those individuals that perhaps feel that they don't want to cook for themselves if they're on their own, or unable to cook for themselves on their own. We'll always try and provide a nutritious, home-cooked food with fresh produce as much as possible. Yeah, it may be a Meals on Wheels service that to some people it's a very easy service to provide, which it is, as long as you've got the support to make sure that you can comply with all the regulations. Then delivering food to a clientele, certainly for us when we started in COVID, was a godsend for some people.
Hi, my name is Tina. I'm one of the volunteers for Meals on Wheels. I've been doing it for like 2.5 years, at least once a week, sometimes twice. And I absolutely love just being with the elderly and bringing them the service, and they are so grateful, and you know that you're doing something really important. Not just the meals, but spending that little bit of time with them from that. So it's just, and it just makes you feel good about getting out and about and doing volunteering. You know, it's something very special.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Molly.
You are looking absolutely smashing today.
Well, that's made my day. Do come in. I'm partially sighted. I'm almost blind. I can't cook for myself, or I would put the house on fire. So I depend on you and other people giving me cooked food. I do very little myself. Now, the Meals on Wheels are excellent. They're very good value. They're very well cooked. There's a lovely variety. We never get the same thing 2 days running or anything, you know.
How are you today, John? You okay?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, would you like to tell me all about your dinners? Do you enjoy your dinners?
Yes, they're very nice, yes. Very good. Same as not every day, but still.
So you've got sausage and mash today.
Oh, one of my favourites.
One of your favourites.
Yeah. What's the dessert?
Rice pudding.
Lovely.
Yeah? So what difference do they make to you?
It's a lot of difference. Save me having to cook a couple of days a week, so save time as well. And it's very nice.
I think you're wonderful, and you deserve a big thank you. I hope they appreciate you. And it's not only bringing the food, you're bringing yourself and being able to talk to you, because sometimes some people don't see anybody.
Yes.
But I believe, you know, that is so important.
Yeah, and we just love seeing you, Mary.
Meals on Wheels was initially started around COVID, I think, to try and alleviate some of the pressures that people were facing, especially vulnerable people during that time. And I think since that barrier has been removed, the sort of social distancing and quarantine, I think other people other vulnerable members of the community have also benefited from the project, and hope to continue to have hot food on a Monday and Wednesday, and probably more days if they had their way. It's something that the council, I think they see it's a real lifeline for the people that use the service. It's not just hot food, although that alone is a necessary support that we offer. It's the connection with volunteers, having someone being able to check in on people when they might not have anybody else that would be able to do that for them. And it's a council initiative that I think that we can be really proud of, that is essentially on the front line of providing support to members, well, some of the most vulnerable in the community.